Meet Rachel Martinez, Operations Manager at Techstart SME. 3 months ago, her team was drowning in manual tasks, tracking projects in Excel, sorting endless Outlook emails, and struggling to extract meaningful insights from scattered data sources.
We were spending too much time on routine work and not enough on strategy and growth. Our deadlines were slipping and opportunities were passing us by.
Then Techstart SME discovered vibeys. Seamlessly integrated with Word, Excel, Outlook, and more, vibeys automated the mundane, highlighting crucial emails, turning raw data into actionable insights, and helping the team collaborate effortlessly in Teams and SharePoint.
With vibeys, our productivity soared. We reclaimed hours each week, our team is more engaged, and we've grown revenue by 25% in just a quarter.
Rachel's story proves it. With vibeys, even the busiest SME can thrive. Subscribe now and write your own success story.